Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend, and welcome to this new video on Ethereum. We'll be doing a full fundamental analysis and a full technical analysis and overview, kind of preparing you for today and next week. So that's what we'll do. Before we'll do that, I do want to tell you that if you want to receive daily trading signals, but also if you want to see the results of that, and if you're interested in making a little bit more money on the side like that, check out the links in either the pinned comment or the description. There you'll find instructions on how to join. Alright, but now let's talk about Ethereum. So first of all, it's obviously weekend right now, and we've been pretty stable. We've been stabilizing a little bit in this area on top of 1760. It's not been, it's been steady. We have dropped down quite a bit since yesterday morning, but we've been steady on top of 1760. Volume has obviously dropped down. It's now at 8.6, which is actually not that high. It's actually relatively low if you take a look at the last 3 months, for example. But yeah, I expect usually that weekend, especially Saturday to Sunday, is very quiet, and then at the end of Sunday, beginning of Monday, you'll get a little bit more of momentum and a little bit more volatility, bullish or bearish. But that's what I wanted to talk about in this video, what to expect. So to start off with the fundamentals, it's a very difficult question. The dollar strength index indicates a somewhat bearish market structure, and that would lean towards a bullish opening, so going up to 1820, perhaps even breaking above that and making our way up to 1900. As you might remember, last week the most bullish moves were from Sunday to Monday. So can we do something like that? I would say with only the dollar strength index, the bearish momentum coming from this, or the bullish momentum coming from the bearish momentum of the dollar strength index, I don't think is enough for Ethereum to break above 1820. And then we have a lot of uncertainty next week. I mean, first of all, the whole economic situation in the world is fragile, especially the banking sector, which obviously a lot rests on. So there's a lot of uncertainty, and we have seen that in those in that week of uncertainty last week, that we had a lot of buy orders, a lot of money going into crypto, going into Bitcoin. But who knows what will happen this week? If we really get into a deep recession, will there be money to actually put into crypto? Who knows? So it's going to be a very uncertain opening of the week. We also, of course, have the interest rate on Wednesday. That's going to matter. Usually you have a little bit of momentum ahead of that, but then like the 1 or 2 days before that, the market falls quiet. So we'll have to see. I mean, purely technically, there's not a lot we can say right now. As I said, we dropped down quite a bit from yesterday morning, but we have also been holding 1760. So if you take a look at the 1 hour time frame, you can kind of see something like this, right? So it's this is not a nice market structure, but you see a lot of bearish momentum on the very short term. But if you zoom out to the 4 hour time frame, it looks like there's barely bearish momentum. So I would say, with that uncertainty in mind, I would say that it's more likely that we'll stay in this level between 1820 and 1760. And if we're then going to get a breakout, I would say it's more likely that we'll break out towards 1720 and 1700, that kind of level. And then from there we'll see again. It looks to me that a little bit of a reversal or retracement, I guess we should say, is more likely than that will really continue that bullish momentum on the next Sunday after last Sunday. But we'll see. I'll monitor it closely. If it's needed, I'll make an emergency update. But for now, this is my take on Ethereum. So thank you for watching. Enjoy your weekend and take care. Bye.